Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm from Australia. I'm from Melbourne. I was on the internet and I was just browsing and found out about him. And well, I had full treatment. I had full crowns and porcelain front. I can just recommend it to everyone. It's the best ever. Three words? Can I say one?
Yes.
Perfect. There is nothing to add, nothing to take off.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.